In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify the integrity of your game files on Steam. This is one of the most important troubleshooting steps any PC gamer can know. Whether your game is crashing on startup, you are experiencing weird graphical glitches, or some features just aren't working like they used to, more often than not, it is because of a single corrupted or missing file in your installation directory. This method allows Steam to automatically find those errors and fix them for you without having to uninstall and reinstall the entire game, which can save you a massive amount of time and bandwidth. If this video helps solve your problem today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech guides. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open up the Steam application on your computer. Once the application is loaded, move your cursor to the top of the interface and click on the Library tab. This will bring up your entire collection of games. Scroll through your list on the left-hand side until you locate the specific game that is giving you trouble. Once you have found it, right-click on the game title. A context menu will appear with several different options. From this list, move your mouse down and click on Properties. This will open a new window specifically for that game's configuration. Inside this Properties window, you will see a vertical menu on the left side with several tabs like General, Updates, and Compatibility. You want to look for the one labeled Installed Files. Go ahead and click on Installed Files. This section shows you how much storage the game is using and gives you a few options for managing those files. The option we are looking for is titled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that button once. As soon as you click it, Steam will begin a comprehensive scan of your local installation. It essentially compares the files on your hard drive with the official files on the Steam servers to ensure everything matches up perfectly. If it finds a file that is missing, outdated, or corrupted, Steam will automatically flag it and add it to your download queue. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your storage drive. You will see a progress bar showing the percentage of the validation process that has been completed. It is very important that you do not close Steam or turn off your computer while this scan is running. Just let it do its work in the background. Once the scan reaches 100%, Steam will give you a summary of the results. If everything was fine, it will tell you that all files were successfully validated. If there were errors, it will simply say that a certain number of files failed to validate and will be reacquired. At that point, you might see a small download start in your Steam manager as it fetches those fresh files. This is exactly what we want to happen. After the download is finished, your game files are officially repaired and ready to go. You can close the Properties window and try launching your game again to see if the issue is resolved. Using this tool is far superior to a fresh install because it only targets the specific bits of data that are broken. It is a lifesaver for massive modern titles that are over 100 gigabytes in size. If this video helped you get back into your favorite game, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these easy guides for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.